Morning. We are walking on the Waiane Harbor here, and we are going to be sharing a charter boat to go deep sea fishing or off sea. Good morning, you guys. So we are on a share charter boat, and we are in Waiane, Hawaii. We're going deep sea fishing, and yeah, this is what they got. All these rods, and it is 5:30 in the morning. As you can see, the mountain behind us. I can't wait to see what we can fish for. I think they say there's going to be some marlin, maybe mahi or tuna. So we'll see. Yep. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful here. When you are on a shared charter boat, they do all the setup for you. They tie the lures and they get all the bait. And we're just going to wait to catch the fish. Big fish.
Go trout? That's over there in, there's a camp in Oklahoma in Arkansas along the Buffalo River. They have the rainbow down over there. So, I'll be like, the drag already set to where it needs to be. Nobody needs to touch the drag. It's only 7 pounds. If we get a strike, what we want to do is we want to bring the rest of the line in. Okay? Now you know, crank this one in, crank that one in. If you crank it in one like this, the outrigger goes right on. So when you bring it in and you bring it down, good. It's stopping in the water right there. You can stop it there. You crank it in one of these with the rubber squid on them. Rubber squid about 10 feet away from the tip of the pole, 9 feet in the water, you can right there. Stop. These two is really sharp. They're pinned out with rubber bands. You can lean over and take the rubber band off, reel them up to the swivel via the tip of the pole. Just be careful you don't reel it into the tip of the pole water. Okay? And then the center one is the last one to come bring in. It's the farthest one off. On a big fish, we'll bring it into the middle and we'll fight it from the center rod over there. Okay? You guys don't need to carry any rods or reels or move them around. Just make sure you're guiding the line.
The 100 and the probably too damn heavy.
Yeah, so you guide the line, make sure it doesn't fall off in one spot. You hit the bridge and then you get stuck and you gotta crank. If you get any questions or you feel like it's hard to crank or you're not sure, just stop and let me know. Alrighty, thank you. All right. You need the rest of them? Who's first?
Andy, go ahead.
Lord,
We got something.
Yes. I get this one? Fast, Lord. Bring that thing.
Oh, it's a damn shark. Fucking shark.
Yeah, shark, huh?
A damn shark.
Oh, okay. Shark.
tailgate.
Well, we got a shark. Goodbye, shark. What? Mine? What am I doing?
Take your time. We're easy.
Please do not be another shark.
We have a fish right now.
Slowly does it.
Oh,
Slowly, huh?
yeah. Do not let the shark eat it. Oh my God, I am tired already.
Yeah, just slowly.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Okay, you give up. Come on, come in.
2,000. Oh my goodness.
There you go.
How do I do it?
It's not.
Okay.
They go fishing.
A little bitty one.
Well, you guys, so it looks like our fishing today is a little bleak. Don't mind me. So we're heading back, and we got a very small tuna, which isn't too bad. But 8 hours out here, and so it looks like our fishing today is looking a little bleak. We are heading back after 8 hours of being out here. We are on a boom boom fishing chart here in Waiane, Hawaii, and they are very great. The boat is very, very comfortable, very great. This is the part I didn't realize my microphone has lost battery. So the trip was a little bit disappointing because we only caught one baby tuna, and I ended up getting sick and threw up 3 times. But overall, I mean, it was a great experience. We were hoping to catch more fish than that, but that's okay. We're in Hawaii and the water is beautiful. The scene is breathtaking. It's so nice to get to be out here. Such a blessing to be here and enjoy nature. We want to thank you guys for watching our videos, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, you guys, we are back.
We're back on land.
This is today's caught.
Let's do it. Come on. Where's the soy sauce?
Ahi, ahi.
Want low sodium?
Low sodium. Low sodium.
All right, y'all. Can't get any fresher than this.